Guys, welcome back to Debbie's Homemade and one more episode of Cooking in the Kitchen with me, Debbie. In this bowl here, I have about 2.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I stripped the fat off, wash and clean. And it has been marinated for about 3 hours now. And in the marinade, I have 1 cup coconut milk. I have about a tablespoon of whole spice. I have a pinch of ginger that I sliced up finely. About 2 garlic cloves that I minced. Also a teaspoon of nutmeg. And a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. And this has been marinating in this for about 3 hours. Now, let me put this out of the way. Let me get this bowl. We're going to fry this. I have heating over there 2 cups of coconut oil in that pan. I'm going to put 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour in here. Hope I don't need any more. I'm going to season the flour with a pinch of salt, black pepper, oops, not good. That's about a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt. And I'm also going to do a teaspoon of garlic powder. Teaspoon of paprika. Teaspoon of allspice. And a half a teaspoon of all-purpose Szechuan seasoning. You can use seasoning salt. Okay, let's mix this up really well. We're going to come back when it's time to start frying the chicken, giving the oil a little bit more time to heat up. Just a little bit more. Guys, I hope you can see this. This is a sauce I'm going to add to the chicken. I have it all marinated in this cup ahead of time. In here I have 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1/2 cup of water, about 1/2 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of spicy jerk marinade. And I'm letting this sit here until I'm ready for it. So I've been battering some of the flour, the chicken with the flour mixture, and I'm going to fry these up now. Okay, I'll come back when we're done frying these, okay? Okay, so I am almost done with frying the chicken. Here we go. About 6 to 7 minutes on each side, but you flip it a couple times, you know. And so the sauce, here is the sauce. Again, I have 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 cup of low sodium soy sauce, a pinch of fresh grated ginger, about 1/2 teaspoon of grated nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, I'm sorry, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of Jamaican spicy jerk marinade, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and about 2 garlic cloves minced. And they have been sitting here the whole time. So I'm going to pour it in this pot and bring it to a boil. And then later on I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch slurry to thicken it up just a little bit. I'm bringing it to a low boil. And this will be on my blog in case I missed some of the oh, there's also a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper in the sauce. I'm sorry, but this will be in my blog, which I will add the link in the description so you guys can go there if you want to print or download the recipe. I'm gonna be serving this with some rice and kidney beans that I made earlier. I already had a video, so I didn't show that. And then I had some caramelized carrots in the oven. I don't have a video for that, so I want to make one before the holidays because I think it's a very good side dish for the holidays. But it will be on my blog, so you can get it off my blog. Okay, so I am done with the chicken. Is all done and the sauce is boiling up really well. I have a tablespoon and a half of cornstarch. Added a little water. I don't want it too thick. I just want a little thickness to it, and I may have this up too high. I don't need all that cooking. Let me add the cornstarch storage. I think maybe too thin, but let's see. Oh, that's my why are you whistling in here, girl? That's my caramelized carrots are done, so I'm gonna get those out of the oven. I can show you what they look like. Oh yeah, the cornstarch slurry actually wasn't too thin, so that was about a tablespoon and a half of cornstarch with about 4 tablespoons of water. Perfect consistency. Perfect. Here is the I hate going in the oven now after the day.
They're steaming your hair.
Huh?
They're stealing your hair.
Here is the, can you see that? The caramelized carrots. Oh wow. And so with that, dinner is done. So, oh, very. I'm sorry, sweetie. Let's see what we have here.
Looks good.
Why, thank you. Too bad you just ate McDonald's. So, I want to leave it in there for the pictures, for the blog. And so here we go. And then I want to drizzle. Just a drizzle of this sauce on the chicken. And let me take you over. So there's the fried chicken. Here's the sauce, still bubbling. The caramelized carrots, still bubbling. And then the rice and peas. And there's the plate I just fixed, and I'm going to taste that up right now. Guys, thank you so much for watching. From my kitchen to yours. God bless, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.